Hello Knime enthusiasts and finance wizards. I'm Phil Kowalski, your ally in mastering the art of data manipulation in Knime. Today we're diving deep into data normalization and transformation using the robust Knime version 5. Stay tuned as I unveil an advanced workflow example with you. Let's embark on this data journey together. We start with a transaction table import, a classic scenario with about 1000 rows encompassing transaction IDs, dates, amounts, and more. Notice how we use the Excel reader and the statistics node for a comprehensive data overview. Observe how our statistic node reveals crucial insights, like unique transaction IDs and multiple purchases by customers. This initial analysis sets the stage for more complex transformations. Our first task, extracting date and time details from the local date column. Here's how we configure the node to get the quarter, month, and day details. Setting the right locale is key, and Knime version 5 makes this a breeze. Next, we categorize payment types and regions using the one-to-many node. It's about transforming categorical data into a binary format. A crucial step for our later analysis, as you can see here on the right-hand side in the node monitor. We then round the transaction amounts using a math formula node and categorize them into revenue buckets using the Numeric Binner. This simplification is quite interesting for smaller dataset, and it paves the way for further analysis. After setting up revenue buckets, we aggregate totals by using this upper group by node, and then we join them back into our main table like so. This step, essential in Knime version 5, allows us to calculate revenue percentages more effectively. The next two nodes calculate the revenue percentage per revenue category and the percentage compared to the overall revenue. Now let's split our workflow. One path focuses on customer classes, the other one on time series analysis. For customer analysis, we first aggregate per customer. The next step is then to calculate the average transaction value per customer by using the total of the revenue divided by the number of transactions. Then we look at the transaction values in average and categorize customers using the rule engine. Finally, we aggregate the customer classes and we visualize them using one of the new Knime version 5 visualization nodes. The result? A clear visualization of customer segments offering insightful sales perspectives. On the time series side, we analyze sales by the day of the week. We aggregate first, then we create a sortable category label using the string manipulation node. For visualization, we are using bar charts to highlight daily revenue trends. This analysis is pivotal for strategic planning, especially in capacity or workforce management. This overview just scratches the surface of what Knime version 5 offers. If you are eager to build this workflow from scratch together with me and learn about 4 additional use cases that we are building together, I am releasing an online course about that topic soon. So join my weekly newsletter where I share tips, tricks, and ideas all around Knime. Plus, I will offer a special course discount exclusive to my newsletter subscribers, not available anywhere else. That newsletter is free and the link is in the description down below. In future videos, we dive deeper into the fantastic world of Knime, especially version 5, and we continue to revolutionize the world of data and finance together.